Next. Oh man, I'm not feeling this one. There you go.
In the year 2040, all the high-performance vehicles are forbidden by law. Over the years, lawmakers have been cracking down on superbikes. Only the most daring and skillful dare to pursue their passion. Ladies and gents, this is the runners.
I got lucky this time. I don't know how many times I'm gonna be lucky though.
I love your bike.
You scare me.
I could hit it from far.
Where are you coming from?
I live up there.
I didn't know houses existed up there.
I know. Well, after the war, everything changed.
Yeah, tell me about it. Aren't you scared to be talking to an outlaw?
No, there's not many of you guys left.
Yeah, it's getting really dangerous. The government is cracking down on us. This motorcycle was from my dad. He passed it on to me, but he passed away. It's my passion. I'm sure he would still be doing it. I know that now everything's so restricted. The government is limiting all these high-performance vehicles, but their vehicles can only go to 120. This thing can go up to 200 miles per hour. That's why we're so dangerous to them. But I don't think I'm ever gonna stop until I get caught. I hear them coming. I gotta go, but I'll see you here tomorrow at the same time. They call me Shadow. I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, come on!
Hey! If you try to steal my gas again, I'm gonna break your teeth!
Stop crying about it!
Is he ever gonna come?
I'm here!
What happened?
I ran out of gas. Look, you wanna see this? I got the whole tank here. Ran out of gas. The whole government's looking for me now.
Are you okay?
I'm good, it's just I need to get gas. I don't have nowhere to go.
I can help you with that.
I can't go to the city. Where are you gonna get it? Here?
Yeah, from here. It's gonna
Do I
take me
wait for
20
you?
minutes. Yeah,
All right. Here.
I'll be fast.
Wait, you never told me your name.
My name is Aria.
Uno, action.
Where are you?
I'm over here. Hurry up. Oh.
Yeah? Hey! If you try to steal my gas again, I will break your teeth!
3, 2, 1.
Is he ever gonna come?